Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping one clean canvas. Use an alcohol wipe and let the area dry completely so the adhesive grabs and the henna transfers evenly. Once dry, peel the sticker backing and position the design. Align from the center out to control placement and avoid misalignment. Press the sticker firmly from the center toward edges, smoothing bubbles and securing corners. This ensures full contact so the henna paste beneath will stain well and produce crisp lines. Once the sticker is secure, apply henna paste through the cutouts with steady pressure. Aim for an even 1 to 2 mm thickness so lines are solid without pooling. Make sure to wipe away excess paste from the sticker edges to prevent bleeding under the design. After application, gently cover with tissue or cling wrap to protect the wet paste. This preserves moisture and heat, which increases dye release. Let it set for 30 to 90 minutes, based on how dark you want the stain. You finish by peeling the sticker slowly. Lift one edge and pull back flat so the dried paste lifts cleanly. Do not wash the area immediately. Brush off flakes and avoid water for 12 to 24 hours to allow oxidation and darkening. If desired, dab a lemon sugar sealant before remove to deepen color. If the design smudges or the stain is faint, you can reapply paste to the same area or extend the next session's set time. That addresses transfer or understain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.